Ruby's Dinette. They do have breakfast sandwiches and shakes. Right across here, there is a Dunkin' Donuts. Ice cream. Familia Pizzeria. Beautiful looking pizzas.
No, it's me, Steve. It's not.
Don't forget one of these.
Right in the middle of the casino is the 5 o'clock somewhere bar. Then, if you keep going straight, is Margaritaville store, the restaurant. Here is Santa's sleigh. It's almost time. Okay, right here we have Eastland, which is Asian food. Beautiful decorations. We've eaten here before, it's really good. And then we have the counter service. We're going to head on into Margaritaville. We are at Margaritaville at Resorts. Happy hour. There's the menu. Free week party. So we are here at Margaritaville, the restaurant. I'll give you a little tour. Here is the bar, and right outside is the boardwalk. We are going to get the appetizer trio and a couple of drinks. Very tropical looking. We've got the trio appetizer, which is chicken tenders, artichoke spinach dip with pita chips, and southwestern chicken egg roll. Okay, right across the street there's a Landshark Bar and Grill Resort. There's the Hard Rock, and here is outside of Resorts It did have a fire, so everything is repaired now, which is good. So right now we're going to be walking down to the Irish bar and just seeing all of the boardwalk. Nobody's really out right now. And if you walk outside of resorts, right at the corner here is Guy Fieri's Chicken Guy. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I am going to go across and just look at the water. Look at the sun setting. We are going up North Carolina Avenue. Today is December 8th, and it's around 52 degrees. Right over here we have the steel pier. It's closed right now because of the winter, but in the summertime it will be open with all the amusement rides. But the big wheel is still open. Very pretty. We love coming here. We love coming here. In August, they have an ear show, and we will rent an umbrella and a chair, sit right here on the beach, and watch the show, and it's so much fun. There's all kinds of lifeguards here that really won't let you go past your ankles in the water because it's so crowded. It is totally low tide right now. You can see all the shells in the sand. Here's an old pier. And we're right by resorts. There's Hard Rock and Ocean. are outside of the Irish bar restaurant. It also has an inn, but it is closed right now, but it will reopen in the summertime. At one time, it was a speakeasy back in the Prohibition. The history of the Irish pub dates back to the 19th century. It survived hurricanes, Prohibition, 2 world wars, high and low tides. Joe DiMaggio stayed here at the inn for many years. Walking distance to the casino and beach, boardwalk. It is open 24 hours. There's one menu, they open at 11 o'clock, and that will be until 7 o'clock. And then they'll have another menu that stays until, I think it's 4, but they do have sandwiches until 4 o'clock. And then they prep from 4 to 11, and they do it all over again. It is open 24 hours, so if you are staying on the boardwalk, this is a good place to come. If every place else, if it's too late for you to go someplace else to eat. We ate there yesterday. I got the fried scallops, and Glen got the roast beef panini. It was really good.